Good afternoon, it's Gary from BitandIron.com coming to you from the Lower Mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2008 Case 580 Super M Backhoe 4x4. It has 8,506 engine hours, comes with 3 dig buckets and 1 clean-out bucket, and a 4-in-1. It has front and rear quick change with a fully loaded cab. We're going to do a general walk around of the unit, and then we're going to come up close and do a tight inspection. And of course, we're going to show you the unit while it's operating. And we showed you the unit in operation. Let's come up and take a closer look. Let's come up to the 4-in-1 here. And it's in very good condition. I know the unit has been very well mechanically maintained. I'm going to come up behind here and we're going to show you the connection. Pan right up the unit here. And I'm noticing everything's very well greased everywhere. Come right up close here. There's only 2 buckets we have here today. There is 2 others. Come right up. And let's go inside the cab here. Maybe first I'll just cover the rest of the front of the unit. See, it's very well greased. And let's go inside. Again, it's a fully loaded cab with this model. And there you have it. Another good piece of iron from BitOnIron.com. Thanks for calling. Have a great day.